Are you gonna wash this car? We're doing car wash at 10 at night, 10 o'clock at night. It says it's so hot in the day. So we have Jacob doing car wash and Nathan helping him. What are you cleaning, Jacob? What are you doing? The top. Okay. Are you gonna clean the tires too, Jacob? It doesn't have a rim? Yes, the rim is that one, and the tire. That one right here. Where are you going? That's the rim, yeah. Why are you going to the back bumper? Huh? You like doing car wash? You have soap in your eye? Can you see your eye? What happened to your eye? You can see? You're okay? Yeah? Did you clean the rim already? You're okay? We're having car wash at 10 night. Jacob and Nathan. Jacob has soap in his eye. Right, Jacob? Let me see your eye. Okay, go help Nathan now.
It smells like a car wash.
It smells like a car wash? Did you clean the rim already? What? What are you doing? You don't want to go to sleep? Why not? They cleaned the car already. They don't feel like going to sleep. They want to stay up all night and they want to do car wash. Right, Jacob? Do car wash? Jacob, you want to do car wash? Okay. You don't feel like sleeping.